Let me ask you something uncomfortable. The last time you had a headache, did you book a doctor's appointment first or did you open Google or ChatGPT? Be honest, because that right there, that tiny behavioral shift is where the entire conversation begins. AI didn't enter healthcare through operation theaters, it entered through search bars. Think about how quickly technology has evolved. Just a decade ago, we were using basic smartphones. Today, we speak to devices that understand natural language and respond intelligently. Healthcare has evolved just as rapidly. Across India, labs and clinics are now using AI systems to analyze chest x-rays in seconds, detecting abnormalities with remarkable accuracy. At institutions like AIIMS, mobile applications such as Madhu Natural AI are helping detect diabetic retinopathy early. Even in rural areas where ophthalmologists are scarce, oncology departments are experimenting with AI-powered tools that guide patients through treatment options and follow-up care. This isn't a futuristic concept, it's already happening. Here's something important to understand. AI is not replacing doctors right now, it is supporting them in ways that were impossible before. Telemedicine platforms powered by intelligent systems allow specialists to consult patients in remote villages instantly. Someone who once had to travel hours for a basic opinion can now receive guidance within minutes. Predictive analytics can flag patients who are at risk for conditions like diabetes or heart disease even before symptoms become obvious. Hospitals are also using AI to handle documentation, generating discharge summaries, organizing medical histories, and transcribing consultations, freeing doctors from administrative overload. Instead of taking away the human touch, AI is actually creating more space for it. Now we come to the central question: can AI replace doctors? The honest answer is no, not in any complete or meaningful way. Healthcare is not just data processing, it involves empathy, ethical judgment, contextual understanding, and shared decision making. A patient doesn't just need a diagnosis, they need reassurance. They need someone to explain risk in a language they understand. They need someone accountable. AI does not experience uncertainty, it calculates probabilities. Doctors live in uncertainty every day and make decisions within it. Even experts who build medical AI systems consistently say the same thing. AI will change how doctors work, but it will not eliminate them. If anything, it will make skilled doctors even more effective. The future is not a hospital run entirely by machines. It's not a world where you chat with a software and never meet a physician. Instead, it's a collaborative future. Doctors will use AI as second set of eyes. When reviewing scans, routine paperwork will be automated, so clinicians can spend more time with the patients. Rural clinics will gain access to specialist level insights. Early disease detection will become faster and more affordable. When human judgment meets machine efficiency, healthcare becomes stronger. That's the direction we are moving in. So the next time you hear a headline about robots in hospital or AI diagnosing diseases, remember this: AI will not take your doctor's job. It will give your doctor better tools. And if used responsibly, it will make healthcare safer, faster, and more accessible for everyone. And that's not a future of replacement. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. Truly means the world to us. If this helped you even a little, hit subscribe and be a part of Skillmatic for more powerful, no-nonsense medical career content. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram. We're super active there, replying to your DMs and solving your doubts in real time. See you in the next one. Stay sharp, stay ambitious.